Have you noticed your Nissan CVT transmission shifting roughly, hesitating when accelerating, or behaving differently than normal? Before assuming the transmission needs expensive repairs, there's a simple procedure you may want to try first. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 common methods to reset your Nissan's Transmission Control Module, or TCM. This process allows the transmission to erase its learned data and adapt to your current driving style. Let's get started. The Transmission Control Module is the computer responsible for managing how your transmission operates. It controls shift timing, torque converter operation, pressure adjustments, and many other transmission functions. As you drive, the TCM constantly learns your driving habits to improve performance and smoothness. However, after a battery replacement, transmission repair, software issue, or even long-term wear, those learned values can sometimes create rough shifting, delayed engagement, or inconsistent performance. Resetting the TCM clears its adaptive memory and gives it the opportunity to relearn from scratch. While this won't repair mechanical problems, it can often improve transmission behavior when the issue is related to stored adaptive data. Now let's look at 3 different ways to perform a Nissan CVT TCM reset. Method 1. Accelerator Pedal Reset Procedure. The first method doesn't require any tools and is one of the easiest procedures to try. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat and make sure the vehicle is completely stopped. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Wait until all the warning lights on the dashboard finish their startup sequence. Next, press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor and hold it down for approximately 10 seconds. Keeping the pedal fully depressed sends the reset command sequence to the transmission control system. While still holding the accelerator, switch the ignition off. After the ignition is off, release the accelerator pedal completely. Now wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. This gives the TCM enough time to clear its temporary adaptive memory. Once the waiting period is complete, start the engine normally and take the vehicle for a drive lasting around 15 minutes. During this drive, allow the transmission to shift naturally under normal driving conditions so the TCM can begin relearning your driving style. Method 2. Reset the TCM with an OBD2 scanner. If you have access to an OBD2 scan tool, this method offers a more complete reset. Locate the OBD2 diagnostic port underneath the driver's side dashboard and plug in your scanner. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Using the scanner, perform a complete diagnostic scan and read any stored trouble codes. After recording the codes if necessary, clear all diagnostic trouble codes from the system. Clearing these codes also resets many adaptive values stored by the transmission control module. After the reset is complete, disconnect the scanner and start the vehicle. Take the car for a normal road test so the transmission can begin learning again. Once you've finished driving, reconnect the scanner and perform another scan to verify that no new transmission-related codes have appeared. Method 3. Battery Disconnect Reset. Another commonly used method is disconnecting the battery. Start by turning the vehicle completely off and removing the key from the ignition or making sure the push-button ignition is fully off. Open the hood and locate the battery. Using the appropriate wrench, loosen the negative battery terminal and carefully disconnect the cable. Leave the battery disconnected for approximately 15 to 30 minutes. During this time, residual electrical power drains from the vehicle's control modules, allowing the TCM to reset its stored adaptive memory. After the waiting period, reconnect the negative battery cable and tighten the terminal securely. Keep in mind that disconnecting the battery may reset your clock, radio presets, and other saved vehicle settings, so you'll need to configure them again afterward. Finally, start the engine and take the vehicle on a short drive to allow the transmission control module to begin its relearning process. If you've completed all 3 reset methods and your Nissan still experiences rough shifting, hesitation, slipping, or warning lights, the problem is likely something more than adaptive memory. Issues such as faulty transmission sensors, damaged wiring, low or contaminated CVT fluid, internal transmission wear, valve body problems, or even a failing TCM may require professional diagnosis and repair. In those situations, having the transmission inspected with a professional diagnostic scan is the best next step before replacing expensive components. That's everything you need to know about resetting a Nissan CVT transmission. Hopefully, one of these methods helps restore smoother shifting and better transmission performance. If you found this guide useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple automotive repair tutorials and maintenance tips. If you have any questions or you've tried one of these reset methods yourself, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.